Imagine ordering a single slice of pizza and realizing millions of people around the world are doing the exact same thing at that very moment. Pizza looks simple: dough, sauce, cheese. But behind that cheesy surface hides some truly bizarre facts. Facts involving enormous land-sized amounts of food, luxury meals worth thousands of dollars, and surprising origins that most people never expect. Tonight, we're diving into 5 weird pizza facts that will completely change how you look at your next slice. And by the end of this video, you may never see pizza the same way again. Fact number 1. Americans eat about 100 acres of pizza every single day. Pause for a moment and imagine that measurement. 1 acre is about the size of an American football field without the stands. Now multiply that by 100. That means every day, Americans collectively eat an area of pizza roughly equal to 75 football fields covered entirely in melted cheese, sauce, and crust. According to estimates from the National Association of Pizza Operators, around 350 slices of pizza are eaten every second in the United States. That's more than 3 billion pizzas every year. To visualize this even further, if you stacked all those pizzas on top of each other from a single year, the tower would stretch thousands of miles into the sky. And here's the strange part. Most of those pizzas are eaten during just a few moments of the week: Friday night, game days, and major sporting events. In fact, during the Super Bowl, Americans order millions of pizzas in just a few hours. For a food that started as a simple street meal in Italy, pizza has become one of the most consumed foods on the entire planet. And yet, the next fact might be the most surprising of all. Fact number 2. The world's most expensive pizza costs around $12,000. Yes, for a single pizza. This extraordinary dish was created by Italian chef Renato Viola, and it's called the Louis XIII pizza. But this isn't the kind of pizza that arrives in a cardboard box. The preparation alone takes over 70 hours. The dough is left to ferment slowly for 3 full days to create a perfectly soft crust. Then the toppings turn the pizza into something closer to luxury jewelry than food. The ingredients include rare pink Australian sea salt from the Murray River, lobster from Norway, Mediterranean shrimp, and 3 types of extremely rare caviar. The chef personally travels to the customer's home to prepare and serve it. Even the drinks paired with the pizza are expensive, including rare cognac and champagne. So while most people enjoy a slice for a few dollars, some people are eating a pizza that costs more than an entire used car. But strangely enough, the next fact shows that pizza doesn't need to be expensive to make massive amounts of money. Fact number 3. Pizza delivery generates about $4 billion in revenue every year in the United States alone, and that number keeps growing. Large pizza chains like Domino's, Pizza Hut, and Papa John's deliver millions of pizzas every single day. But the real reason pizza became the king of delivery food is surprisingly simple. Pizza travels well. Unlike many meals that lose flavor or texture during transport, pizza stays hot, portable, and easy to share. And technology has made it even more powerful. Online ordering and delivery apps have transformed pizza into one of the fastest foods you can get at home. In some cities, delivery drivers complete orders in less than 20 minutes. That means somewhere in America, every few seconds, a doorbell rings and another pizza arrives. But perhaps the strangest pizza fact isn't about money or consumption. It's about where one of the most famous pizzas in the world actually came from. Fact number 4. Hawaiian pizza was not invented in Hawaii. It was actually invented in Canada. In 1962, a Greek immigrant named Sam Panopoulos was running a restaurant in Ontario. At the time, pizza toppings were very limited, usually just cheese, mushrooms, or pepperoni. Panopoulos decided to experiment. He opened a can of pineapple and added the sweet fruit to a pizza along with ham. The idea sounded unusual, but the combination of salty ham and sweet pineapple surprised customers. The name Hawaiian didn't come from the island itself. It came from the brand of canned pineapple he used. What started as a random experiment in a small Canadian restaurant soon spread across the world. Today, Hawaiian pizza is one of the most debated pizza styles ever created. Some people absolutely love it, others refuse to eat it at all. But whether you like it or hate it, that strange Canadian experiment became a global pizza phenomenon. And finally, the last fact reveals just how deeply pizza is woven into American culture. Fact number 5. October is officially recognized as National Pizza Month in the United States. This celebration began in 1984 when the editor of Pizza Today magazine wanted to highlight the importance of pizza in American food culture. Since then, the entire month of October has become a nationwide celebration of pizza. Restaurants introduce new recipes, pizza chains offer huge discounts, and millions of people share photos of their favorite slices online. During this month, some pizzerias create unusual pizzas with unexpected toppings like honey, figs, truffle oil, or spicy hot sauces. But the most interesting part is how pizza brings people together. Families gather around a table, friends share slices during late-night conversations, students eat it during study sessions, and sports fans order it during big games. A simple round piece of dough topped with sauce and cheese has become one of the most universal comfort foods on Earth. And the story of pizza is still growing every single day. So the next time you take a bite of pizza, remember that behind that slice are strange histories, massive industries, and surprising secrets most people never think about. If you enjoyed uncovering these weird pizza facts, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay curious, because the world is still full of mysteries waiting to be discovered.